Hummingbird tales, nature's iridescent marvels. Exploring the vibrant lives and roles of hummingbirds.
By AI for Kids. In Hummingbird Tales, we delve into the vibrant world of these tiny avian wonders. From their shimmering iridescence to their remarkable migration journeys, each chapter unveils the beauty and significance of hummingbirds. Join us in celebrating the life cycle, ecological importance, and cultural symbolism of these enchanting creatures. Witness how these little jewels of nature connect us to the larger tapestry of life on Earth. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Nature's jewels, the hummingbird's iridescence.
In the heart of a vibrant garden, a hummingbird flits gracefully from flower to flower. Its iridescent feathers shimmer in the sunlight, a dazzling array of colors that seem to change at every angle. This petite creature, just 3 to 5 inches long, is a marvel of nature's artistry. Hummingbirds possess feathers that can reflect and refract light in such a way that their appearance is a living jewel, each movement capturing a spectrum of hues, captivating the observer.
Under the bright morning sun, the hummingbird's iridescent feathers glisten like precious gems in a crown, showcasing a natural spectacle that leaves us breathless. How incredible it must be to wear the colors of the rainbow, a living testament to nature's creativity.
Masters of precision, hummingbirds in flight.
Hummingbirds are renowned for their agility and capacity for extraordinary maneuvers in the air. Beating their wings up to 80 times per second, these tiny aviators hover effortlessly, dipping into flowers to sip nectar with pinpoint accuracy. This incredible wing speed enables them to perform a figure-8 motion, allowing them to move forwards, backwards, and even sideways. Such control over their flight is unparalleled in the avian world, a testament to the hummingbird's evolutionary prowess.
With wings ablur, the hummingbird floats in a magical suspension, as if time itself pauses to admire this miracle of nature. To dance through the air with such elegance, what a joyous life!
Ecosystem heroes, the pollinator role.
As the hummingbird darts from bloom to bloom, it's not just feeding, but playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. While sipping nectar, its long bill touches the stamens and pistils, allowing pollen to hitch a ride to the next blossom. This unintentional act makes the hummingbird an essential pollinator, particularly for flowers with shapes and colors specifically evolved to attract these beautiful birds. They ensure the continuation of many plant species, quietly weaving the threads of life's intricate tapestry.
In the gentle sway of the garden, the hummingbird paints corridors of life, spreading vitality one flower at a time. It's amazing how each small action holds the potential to sustain whole worlds.
Habitats of the Americas, a hummingbird's home.
Hummingbirds are found exclusively in the Americas, thriving from Alaska to Tierra del Fuego. They adapt to diverse environments from lush rainforests and arid deserts to garden oases and urban parks. Wherever there are flowers rich in nectar, you'll find hummingbirds bustling about. Their presence in such varied landscapes highlights their remarkable adaptability and the critical importance of these habitats for their survival. As climate changes and land is developed, preserving these spaces becomes crucial.
Across the sweeping landscapes of the Americas, hummingbirds etch their presence into the chorus of nature, from icy northlands to temperate forests. To call the entire continent home is to embrace an endless adventure.
Guardians of the garden, territorial behavior.
Don't let their small size fool you. Hummingbirds are fiercely territorial. When it comes to guarding their favorite feeding spots, they show remarkable courage, chasing away rivals with a daring that defies their diminutive stature. This territorial behavior ensures they have sufficient resources for sustenance and helps maintain the natural balance by controlling insect populations, a critical function for pest management in their ecosystems.
A flash of determination and vibrant feathers, the hummingbird asserts its rightful place in nature's grand theater. Defending these precious treasures is a testament to nature's intrinsic drive for preservation.
Tiny travelers, the migratory odyssey.
Many hummingbird species migrate, undertaking impressive journeys between their breeding and wintering grounds. These petite adventurers travel thousands of miles, navigating vast expanses with pinpoint precision. The ruby-throated hummingbird, for instance, flies non-stop across the Gulf of Mexico. Such incredible endurance and navigational skills have captivated scientists and enthusiasts alike, revealing the astounding capabilities hidden within these small bodies.
Across land and sea, against the might of winds and weather, the hummingbird embarks on a pilgrimage defined by ancient instinct. To journey boldly into the unknown, such is the spirit of the endless sky.
Life as renewal, breeding and nurture.
In the spring, female hummingbirds construct intricately woven nests to cradle future generations. Using spider silk and plant fibers, they craft secure homes where they lay 1 to 3 eggs. The female alone nurtures her young, fiercely guarding her nest, ensuring the survival of her lineage. Young hummingbirds fledge within weeks, embarking on their own journeys, a cycle perpetuated by the delicately balanced dance of life.
Amidst the blooms of spring, a promise of life unfolds, swathed in silken threads under watchful eyes of loving dedication. In building these homes from threads, we weave the fabric of future tomorrows.
Cultural icons, symbols of joy and healing.
Throughout history, hummingbirds have captured human imagination, symbolizing joy, resilience, and energy. Especially in Native American cultures, they are seen as messengers and bearers of good luck. These beliefs reflect not only the vibrancy and agility of these tiny birds but also an admiration for their endurance and beauty. In mythology and art, hummingbirds bridge the human and natural worlds, reminding us of our deep connections with the earth.
From the annals of mythology and art, the hummingbird emerges a shimmering beacon of heart and spirit, celebrated across time. As symbols of lightness and resilience, these stories remind us of the beauty in life's fragility.